Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to record video on PC with webcam. Here are the steps to record video on PC with your webcam using OBS Studio. First is to download and open OBS Studio on your Windows PC. On the main screen, find the sources box at the bottom. Click the plus icon and select Video Capture Device. Type a name like Webcam and click OK. In the device drop-down, select your webcam. For example, integrated camera or USB camera. Adjust the resolution and FPS settings if needed. Then click OK. Your webcam preview will now appear in the OBS canvas. Resize or drag the webcam video to fit your desired frame size. To record audio too, make sure your microphone is active under Audio Mixer, Micro Aux. If not, go to Settings, Audio, and choose your input device, the microphone. Then go to Settings, Output, Recording to choose your save location by clicking Browse and Format, MP4 recommended. Once done, hit Apply and OK to save changes. Do a quick test recording by clicking Start Recording, speaking a few seconds, then click Stop Recording. Play the test file from your Videos, OBS Recordings folder to check both video and audio quality. Once ready, click Start Recording again to film your webcam video, then stop recording when done. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.